Alright, so here's our GMC gas furnace. I don't think I've really ever made a video on it before, so I figured I would. There is no data sheet on it. I don't know if it's been torn off or it is hidden. Like where they put this thing on it. I don't really know if it is or not, but I'm sure if I were to take the panel off, I could probably find something. But it heats really good. I'll see if I can make it upstairs here in a second and get like a temp reading on how hot it's coming out. I think the last time I checked it was like 130, 150 maybe. I don't recall. I'll have to check in a second though. Yeah, that's our GMC furnace paired with the 2017 Goodman Air Conditioner outside. 2017. 3-ton, I think. I don't know. I got a video of it recently. Okay, so as of right now, it's at 129 and still sort of going up, but it's mostly stable now. Oh, and for some reason it went to 250. Okay. Right here, I got it shoved up. Get a better reading. Seems to be staying at about 130, so, well, 129, close enough, but yeah, 130 is probably about the sweet spot for it for now. I'll try and get a video startup of it with the panel off, so that way the gas and everything flames. Oh, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I have this in all the way. I don't know if the cable's getting worn out or not, but it's stable around 129, 130. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it that that's what that is. It's blowing out. Huh, that could be the problem. Probably is the problem. Whoops. Let's see if it messes up anymore. Yeah, it's staying about 130-ish range, so yeah, I think that's some pretty good heat for it, however old the thing is. I assume probably 90s, early 2000s, if I had to guess how old the GMC furnace is. I might pull off the panel, see if there's like a new, not new, but like another sticker that says the year or the serial number at least. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.